Hello? Is anybody there? I'm waiting for a police supervisor to come on the line. Hello? There's our police officer wandering through the park, taking pictures and doing some video recording for my YouTube channel. Just wasn't bothering anybody. And they decided to turn it into a very big deal that they haven't done with anybody else. So here's our parkskeeper. He's not telling this person to not walk through this area. They claimed that I couldn't walk through this area because of these people were here, but they're letting everybody wander through this park except me. That's harassment right there. There we go. Wanders through the park, does not get harassed in any way. Wandering through the park, not getting harassed in any way. So I'm calling for all these people to get fired. Fire this guy. Fire the groundskeepers. Fire everybody who allowed me to be harassed in the park today.